So you can see the screen now, right? Can you see the screen? Yeah, we have seen about the capacitor, resistor, and its practical uses. We have seen a couple of circuits with them, right? So let's move on to today's topic. Open up your Thinkercad and on your existing project, whichever we have. All right. So let me do this. Okay. And let's move on with today's session. So today we are going to see about the diode. Okay. And if we have time, we will also see about this breadboard. Okay, I have to change the language. Okay, now I can do something. All right. So you can see the screen now, right? Everybody can see the screen. Yes. Okay. So yeah. So we will talk about this. This is a breadboard. So you can see its name is breadboard. So actually, you can get all this breadboard. Go to so you can get the breadboards from here. Okay. So we have different section here. Section. So here are the breadboards. You can have a look. So they are like a different size. Okay. This one is small breadboard. This one is bigger one. This is a big breadboard, and this is a mini breadboard. Okay. All right, man. I will make you the host. Okay. Done.
Sir, just 2 minutes.
Okay, man.
Kids, those are entering with their phone names or other names. They are rename yourself. You are rename in just a 5 minutes. If you are not rename yourself, I remove you from the session. And no one send any emojis and other irrelevant messages in your chat box. Okay, if I find anyone students are do that things, they are removed from the session. So you rename yourself fastly, and you mention your standard and division also. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. You
Yeah, ma'am. Thanks. Okay. So these are the breadboards we will talk about. Okay. Possibly in this session if we get time. But before this, we are going to talk about the diodes. Okay, so we will talk about diodes and what exactly they are. Okay, so there are actually two types of diodes. One is general diode and one is simple diode. Okay, just like capacitor we had a capacitor and a polarized capacitor, right? So before that, let's talk about a little recap. Okay, so rather than going into absolutely the same, okay, their connection will be the same, their work will be same, but only difference will be their voltage level. Okay, so general diodes are actually used when we are working in electrical systems. Electrical system means we are working with high voltages. Then we give it some values, right? Like kilovolts or like 4 440 volts, 3 phase volts. So like this, for this kind of purpose, we use general diodes. They actually both are the same. Okay. All right. Let me check. Okay. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me properly? Okay. Wait. Actually, my screen got disconnected. So I will share this screen only. Okay. Now you should be able to see the screen. You can see the screen now. Can you see the screen? Everybody? Can you see the screen? I have shared the screen. Kasturi is saying that she is not able to see the screen. Is that with everyone? Let me know fast if you can see the screen. Yes, everybody can see, right? Okay. Some of you are saying that they can see, some of you are saying they cannot see. What's up? Can you see the screen? Okay, screen is visible. Please check out your options somewhere. It should be visible because many of the students can see it, so it should be available to you also. All right, because I have shared a particular tab only. Okay, so let's talk about this. So basically, diode is a semiconductor. Okay, so I will just write it here. All right, so you can see it. Okay, diode is a semiconductor. All right. So can you tell me anybody? Sorry, can you tell me that what is a semiconductor? Anybody? Anybody have an idea? किसी को कोई idea है? Anybody have any idea कि semiconductor क्या हो सकता है? You can say anything, okay? If you can, I just want to see that. Can you guess it? No. So let me tell you, okay? See, what I had told is it's a semiconductor. Okay. So what is the meaning of conductor? Can you tell me what is the meaning of conductor? Conductor means something that will conduct electricity, right? It is something that will conduct electricity. So what will be semiconductor? It will something that will conduct electricity in some conditions, or it will conduct partially. Okay, it will conduct electricity partially. Okay, wait a second. I need to connect my second monitor. Just a second. All right. Okay, now you should be able to see the screen. Everybody, can you see the screen? Let me know. Yeah, I have shared the screen. Should be able to see it, right? So, yeah. So, a basic example to be this is first understand what is conductor. Okay. So, conductor is something which will conduct electricity. Okay. Or something through which electricity can flow. Okay. That is the definition of a conductor. Okay. So, if conductor means that electricity can flow through it, so what will be the meaning of semiconductor? Okay, now you can guess it. Okay, that means current can flow partially in semiconductor. Got it? Just like, yeah, it's true. T is gone. Okay, so like I did a typing mistake. It should be TH or used. Okay, so current can flow partially in semiconductor. Okay. So if I talk about this definition, so आपको मैं एक simple सा example लेता हूँ. You must have heard about the semi English medium, right? So many of the state board education have the semi English medium. So what happens there? What is the meaning of semi English? They have both their first language and second language as their main subject. अगर मैं ऐसा कहूँ कि English और हिंदी दोनों साथ में होते हैं, right? Some subject they have in English and some subject they have in Hindi. So they are not fully in Hindi or they are not fully in English. Right? So इसलिए हम क्या दूसरे कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, semi English. In the same way, if you put a semiconductor, that means ये कंडक्टर है भी और नहीं भी. That means पूरी तरीके से कंडक्टर नहीं है. इसमें से इसलिए हम इसे कहते हैं कि current can flow partially. Okay, पूरी तरह से current flow नहीं कर सकता है. So this is what a diode is. So let's see. Okay, now let's see. Let's take a screenshot quickly. I will remove all of this. You can write it down also as whatever suits you. Okay. So this is a symbol of diode. Right. So this is how we draw a diode. Okay. So this side will be called as anode. Okay, remember, I will write it here. This side is called as anode, and this side is called as cathode. Okay. So they are the names. So anode, the meaning of anode is plus, simply the plus side, and the meaning of cathode is simply the minus side. Okay, minus side. So let's bring it this one here, and you can see. Now you can see, if you hover on the terminals, you can see its name is anode and its name is cathode. Right? Got it? So I have you got it this much. Okay. So this is actually a symbol of, this is the symbol of diode. All right. Then you can see there is one strip over here, right? Same strip we have seen in this capacitor, right? Like strip here. So what was the meaning of this strip? इस strip का क्या meaning था पहले? Anybody can answer it? What is the meaning of this strip? What is the meaning of this strip? Anybody? इस strip का क्या meaning होता है? ये जो line से जा रही है, इसका क्या meaning होता है? हमने देखा था. Okay. So actually, yeah, your answer is close, but not the exact answer. It is a polarized capacitor, but what is the meaning of this strip? This strip represent negative side. Okay, जो आपका माइनस साइड होता है वो आपको दिखाता है ये स्ट्रिप, और जो पॉजिटिव साइड, फिर जो बचा हुआ होगा वो पॉजिटिव साइड होगा. ओके, सिंपल. बिकॉज जब आप एक्चुअली जब एक खरीदोगे कैपेसिटर, तब आपको पता नहीं चलेगा प्लस कौन सा माइनस कौन सा है. सो यू कैन सी द स्ट्रिप. So this strip actually represent a minus sign. Okay, and this strip represent the same thing. This strip also represent the same thing. Okay, यहाँ पर भी डायोड पर भी सेम चीज हो रहा है कि this side is which side? Cathode. Okay, so cathode की तरफ क्या लगी है? Strip लगी है. So that it is a negative side. Simple as that. So अगर आप थोड़ा देखने का नजरिया बदलोगे, so you will get it like that strip is just like a symbol of minus, right? So suppose this is a minus sign. Okay, so यहाँ पर minus sign हो गया, वो minus terminal. Alright. Okay, someone is saying that my voice is not audible. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me properly? Okay. See, sometimes if my voice is like breaking or my voice is gone for some seconds, you can ask me to repeat it. Okay. If you ask me to repeat it, then I will repeat it. All right. I have no problem in telling things again and again. All right. The difference between Zener diode and this diode, normal diode, is Zener diode have its voltage rating. Okay, you have its voltage rating. You can see here it has some voltage rating. Okay, See, this is general diode. I have selected general diode, so you can see there's some voltage rating. So you can change its voltage rating and whatever you want to give. Okay. But in normal diode, we don't have anything. It is just a semiconductor. Okay. So let's talk about semiconductor now. I hope you got it. So this is the terminal of a diode. Okay, it's very important. Okay. Now you must have remembered the LED also, right? Because the LED also have same terminals, anode and cathode. Okay, LED have same thing, anode and cathode. Okay, so basically LED is also semiconductor. Okay, so actually what we call it, it's a LED. Okay, we call it as LED. So what is the full form? LED means light emitting diode. Okay, right. Is the meaning of LED is light emitting diode. Okay. So basically LED आपकी diode ही है. The only extra thing it can do, it can generate the light, it can spread the light. Okay, that is why it also have the same terminals. Okay, so cathode is here, this is the cathode here, this is the anode, and this is the anode, right? Okay, so what I was saying that this LED is nothing but the diode. Okay, so LED का meaning मैं आपको बताया, LED means light emitting diode. Okay, सरल भाषा में अगर मैं बताऊं तो इसका मीनिंग होगा कि ऐसा डायोड जिससे लाइट उत्पन्न होती है. Okay, so हमने इसके काफी बार कनेक्शन किए. We have seen it that if we want to glow an LED, we have to connect it properly. If you don't connect it properly, it will not glow. So let's talk about that also later. And everybody, please take screenshot or whatever. If you want to write, you can write, make a bullet points, because I'm going to ask question, and all the question will be depending on whatever we have studied. Okay? All right. So now let's talk about this semiconductor. Okay, so basically there are semiconductors examples. The most common example is silicon. Okay, silicon, boron, and germanium. Okay, germanium is also like called as Ge. So these are the examples of silicons. Sorry, example of semiconductor. Okay, these are the example of semiconductor. Now, okay, now you can see what exactly they are is I have told you in the first class, okay, or not in the first class, but in the current portion part where I have told you what is current and all. I told you that current is a flow of charge. Okay, flow flow of charge means electrons, right? So I have also told you that every conductor have electrons, right? These suppose these all are electrons, and when we apply voltage to it, they apply force on each other. एक दूसरे को actually वो धक्का देते हैं, right? I told you like that, and then this electrons flow, and this is how the current flows, right? I told you about this. But suppose if there are less number of electrons, okay, right? Then how will current flow? Okay, this is the question we have. Okay, if there are less number of electrons, then how will current flow? Can you guess it? How the current will flow? Okay, or how much amount of current will flow? Yes, good answer. Okay, nice. So it will actually, someone is saying it will be slow, or you can say it will be very less amount of current will be flowing, because if we don't have enough number of electrons, then it won't carry current properly. It will carry, but it won't carry that much in a great extent, right? So these all are semiconductors. But this is just the introduction we are talking about. Actually, semiconductors are made with doping. So basically, what happens to increase its uh, connectivity. So I'm just giving you one overview, okay? Just just to like verify things that you will get some idea. So basically, this is a diode, okay? So inside diode, what we have, there is a called as P and N junction, okay? So you can see I'm writing here as P, and this is N, okay? So P means protons, right? Protons or positive positive charge, right? This is the meaning of P, and N means negative charge or electrons. Okay. So basically, what we do is we actually connect these two type of protons. Sorry, this two type of elements. Okay. So what exactly it is, like अगर मैं कह रहा हूँ what is the positive charge? Positive charge का meaning ये होता है कि वो कम चार्ज है. अगर मैं आपको एक सेमीकंडक्टर देता हूँ और एक अच्छा कोई कंडक्टर देता हूँ, तो उसमें से पॉजिटिव कौन सा होगा? This will be the positive, जिसमें जो कम नेगेटिव होगा. Just like if I am asking you, इसमें से छोटा कौन सा है? Okay, which number is smaller? Okay, so the smaller number is -5. Okay, -5 is small, right? Because -5 is more negative. Okay, so I'm just giving you overview. Okay, this is the part where you can take it a little lightly and try to grasp. Okay, and this is where we have this connection. Okay, so this is the plus side and this is the minus side. Okay, so actually there happens one thing called as a depletion region, and this depletion region only breaks. So actually this meaning of this depletion region is that this kind of region is here, okay, because of the positive and negative charges will be here, all right. So there will be barrier actually. So that barrier will not allow current to flow, okay. So we have to break that barrier. When we connect a battery, the current, to be able to flow the current, we actually need to give voltage. We have to give voltage more than 0.7 volt. Okay, right. For silicon based, diode. Okay. So for silicon based diode, we have to give current more than, sorry, voltage more than 0.7. So basically, we are going to use our 9 volt battery, so it's going to work. But if you connect some battery or some source which have voltage less than 0.7, then this will not conduct electricity. So anyways, now I will just clear everything. Now let's talk about the working part. Okay, so what exactly the work of this is? Basically, it is used for protection. Okay, so basically, what we can do is, see, I will draw the circuit. Okay, okay, this is plus side, this is minus side. Then if I connect a battery here, okay, then current will flow. Okay, so always remember. So this is the plus side, this is the minus side, and what is this? This is the anode side. Right? This is the anode, and this is the cathode. Okay, so if you connect anode to plus side and cathode to minus side, the current will flow. Okay, so always connect anode to positive of battery and cathode to negative of battery. Okay, that's it. And if you connect, if you connect the upper terminals in like reverse position, okay, no current will flow. Okay, there will be no flow of current. So in the second point, what I'm trying to say is, again, if I draw this here, I'm drawing a little small. Okay, so see, if I have this, okay, same thing I'm doing, but in the last what I'm doing, I'm connecting battery in reverse position. Okay, sorry, I should have used some white color or something. It's not visible actually. Okay, so if I connect the same diode opposite manner like this, okay, so you can see that this is the minus side, this is the plus side, and this is the minus side, and this is the plus side. Okay, so actually this side is anode and this side is cathode. So in this condition, current will not flow. Okay, got it? Will not flow because we have connected anode to minus side. To be able to work it, okay, to be able to flow the current, we have to connect it properly. Okay, I have annotated everything, so take a note of this. All right, use your mouse tool to make it big and small. आपके माउस को स्क्रोलिंग बटन को आप स्क्रोल करो, इससे वो बिग एंड स्मॉल हो सकता है. Right. पॉजिटिव इट्स आपको प्लस दिख रहा है ना, ये प्लस वी लिखा है, इट विल it is positive and this is negative. कि ये आपकी बैटरी है. So ये साइड कौन सा होगा? ये this is the positive, right? This is the negative. This is positive, this is negative. Positive मैं बोल रहा हूँ, this is the positive. This is negative. Got it? Okay, so I hope you have understood this and have noted down.